Hi Jackie, I just wanted to stop by today and understand that you possibly have received some damage from this recent storm.
I did, yes.
Okay. How did you realize that you had damage, or were you here during the storm? Or?
I wasn't. I came home from work, pulled in the driveway as normal, and saw all the hail laying on the ground. Looked around for about 10-15 minutes and then decided to call Ridgetop.
Perfect. Well, we appreciate that. I know we have a history together.
We do.
I believe we had done this roof in 2020. Is that correct?
Correct. Yes, you
Yeah,
did. All new.
2020. Perfect. Perfect. Well, we'll take a look around today and see what we see for damage that we can report back to the insurance company, and just kind of see what happens after their report comes, and we'll go from there and see if we can get you back to where you were prior to you pulling in the driveway and seeing the damage.
That sounds perfect.
We'll do that today then. Thank you. So when we're looking from the street level from this home, from the sidewalk, there's nothing really that's noticeable that you can see. It's not like a tornado came through here and you can see any damage or anything like that. What we'll do though is we'll take a closer inspection, and the first thing we're going to look at, which all homeowners can look at without getting on the roof and being unsafe, is we'll take a look at all the soft metals. We'll go here to this downspout, and as you can notice, looking at this downspout, you can see a tremendous amount of hail hits, and as we come up this downspout here, you can also see damages that have been done here. So that gutter there will need to be replaced. And then some of the other things that we would take a look at would be some of the metals around the windows. So as you can see here, there's dents here where hail has damaged this window wrap. Look around. Some of the other things you can notice are plants, and plants will have damage as well. As you can see, this window wrap here has issues. We've got a crack in this here as well. We've got a window busted that's up here, and we got a cute little kitty in the window there as well. We can also see some serious screen damage as well. We take a look at these shutters. Here's another thing. You can see these marring marks. That's caused from the hail. You can see where that hail is imprinted into those. Okay. One of the other things we want to take a look at is all of our aluminum. As you can see here, we have hits on here. We've got hits here, and then this siding actually here is aluminum, and you can see the hits on the aluminum siding as well. And sometimes what you have to do to see these based upon where the sun is the angle that you catch on those. Hopefully they can catch all these with the camera, but you can see here the hits that happened from the hail damage. So these are some things that we pointed out to you today. Obviously these are things that you could look at yourself when you get home without getting on the roof and having safety issues. These are things that you could see yourself. I recommend, if you had hail in your area, that you still have a professional coming over, even if you don't identify these problems, because we have 1 year for the claim, and at that point the insurance would not pay out on this project anymore.
And who should they call, Larry, for them to come take a look?
I definitely should contact Ridgetop Exteriors, have one of our professionals come out and give you their opinion. It's free of charge, and if we do find damage and you need help, we will definitely help you work through the process with your insurance company to get you back to where you were prior to the storm.